Hey there, YouTube friends. It's Rainy from the llama shop, and I am back. Just getting off work. But there was a package sitting in my recliner that my nice Mr. Llama brought in for me. So I know who it's from because she told me it was coming. Because it's for my birthday, which was yesterday, if y'all didn't know. Nope, I didn't make a big deal out of it this year. Didn't have any big live or anything like that. Although I do remember last year this time I was trying to get to 50 just so I could have a live, and now I'm at like 300 and some. So I've come quite a long ways in a year. And it's all thanks to you guys. So anyway, we're going to celebrate Shark Week this year instead of my birthday. And as I'm chitter-chattering on, I'm opening the box while we talk. So, this is from my good friend and Yarny sister, Patricia, at the Yarny Cat Crochet. Ow. Stuck myself with the scissors. That wasn't a good move. And just to be safe, I've already taken both of the addresses off, and they're over there. So, I mean, you might see a little bit of the address label here, which has my address on it, but not hers. Okay. Got it. Almost there, y'all. Okay, so hope there's not anything in here that you're not allowed to see. So can y'all see? Can y'all see what's in there? Sorry, I don't want it to fall out, so I got my hand on it. Okay. Well, of course, the very first thing I see is llamas. It can't be a happy birthday without llamas, right? And it is it's like a little ball holder or something. Oh, you want to sniff? Here, have a sniff, Mr. Shadow. This is Shadow right here. He's sniffing. He must smell Kage or something, because he is like sniffing it all over. And so that's cool. And it zips shut. And then there's a card. Mm. She said she thought the card was very me. So here's the llama on the front, and then you open it up, and it's like a. I love it. That is very cool. And then, of course, oh dear, they're melted. It's a big solid lump of Andes mint. But it's okay. I'll put them in the freezer. It'll be fine. Oh, no, no, no. It's coffee. It's coffee. Here, I'm thinking it's a bag of Andes mints and it's coffee. I'm like, oh dear. It's melted. Oh my. Well, I know what I'm having for coffee in the morning. Oh, and it smells like peppermint. And then there is a bag. Mm. It is Awesome Ombre Blue Sky yarn. Oh, Shadow has to sniff this too. Sniff approval. And there are 3 of those. You want to smell the other ones too? There was 3 of them. And then there is some crochet thread in here in all of the right colors. Ooh, that one is like a variegated. I don't know if you can see it very well, but see the different blues in there? That's very pretty. I like that. And then there's some dark blue to match. And then some like a turquoise. Well, very nice. Very cool. I love it all. Oh, and hey, look. See, we've got this little thing here, this little yarn holder, and we can just throw the new yarn right in it because it fits. Well, it fits 2 of them anyway. Yeah, I better not put the 3rd one in there. So yeah, it fits right inside there, just nice. So how about that? Very cool. So we got to spread my birthday out from like Monday until Saturday. So I had a whole birthday week just about. And it's all thanks to my lovely, wonderful Yarny sisters and my lovely, wonderful husband and my shadow dog and my children's. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.